guys, what's up? Welcome to part 2 of my lip product declutter. We are now in drawer 2. This drawer is looking so much better than my first drawer, so I have a feeling that this drawer is going to go a lot faster with the declutter and then organization. So yeah, I'm going to be decluttering this lip drawer in today's video, and then we're going to go ahead and organize everything, and then at the end I'm going to show you guys all of the lip products that I decluttered from my last video and the ones that I decluttered in this video. So I hope you guys are all excited about today's video. If you are, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So in this drawer, I have liquid lipsticks, I have some lip glosses. So we're gonna start over here in this liquid lipstick tray, and these are mostly like nude shades. So first up, I have my Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Coco K. I am gonna go ahead and keep this one. Then I will be keeping this Praline liquid lipstick from e.l.f. I love this one and it's super affordable. I went ahead and pulled a few out that I am gonna be decluttering. First up, I have this Ofra Cosmetics long lasting liquid lipstick, and I just never wear this. I don't even know if I've actually ever worn it. Then I have this one from Profusion. It's a matte liquid lipstick. And then I have this one right here from Sigma, which I never really find myself reaching for. These are all pretty shades, but I just never used them, so I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of them. Then I have a bunch of nude Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipstick shades. I don't actually use these like on my channel or anything because I don't support him, but I do use these like in my personal life because I really like the formula and I did pay for them, so I am gonna keep them. I do have a few of these Galactic matte lip paint. This is like my favorite liquid lipstick formula ever. No one talks about this, but it's just so comfortable on the lips. It makes your lips look nice and smooth, and it lasts a really long time, so I'm definitely keeping all of these. I have 2 of the KVD Beauty liquid lipsticks. I am going to be keeping both of these. I feel like this drawer has like my favorite lip products in it. That's why it's a little bit more organized, so I'll probably declutter less from this drawer, but yeah, I am going to be keeping both of these. Alright, so I do have some more ColourPop lip products that got mixed in this drawer. As you guys know from the last video, I did start organizing these in the drawer above, but I do have some ultra blotted lips here. I just realized one of those was not ColourPop. This one's an ultra matte lip or something. It's so old. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this one, and then I have this metallic one that I never wear, so I'm gonna get rid of these 2, and then I'm gonna keep these 2. Then I have a bunch of these Ofra liquid lipsticks. We have the old packaging, the new packaging. Some of these I don't even think I've ever used. I think I'm going to go ahead and get rid of all of these because I don't use them, and I'm pretty sure that I haven't even used most of these. Then I have some Grande Cosmetics Grande Lips liquid lipsticks. I actually really like these because they plump your lips. I have this kind of like brown shade and then a pink shade. I am going to be keeping both of these. Then I have some of these Urban Decay Vice Lip Chemistries. I am going to go ahead and keep both of these as well. I have 3 shades of these Deck of Scarlet liquid lipsticks. I love the formula of these. I'm not sure if they make them anymore, but I just really like these. They're very comfortable on the lips and they look amazing. The pigmentation is great, so I'm going to be keeping these. So I found a few more lip products that I'm going to go ahead and declutter. We have this Sugar Rush liquid lipstick here. It's from Tarte. Then I have another Sigma liquid lipstick. I have another Ofra liquid lipstick, and then another Ofra liquid lipstick just in the newer packaging. I don't ever use these, so they're just sitting here in my collection, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of all of these. Then I have some Huda Beauty liquid lipsticks. We have their Demi Matte and Liquid Matte, and I'm going to be keeping all 3 of these. Then I have these 3 Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks that I'm pretty sure came in like a holiday set, so I'm going to be keeping these as well. Then I just have some kind of like random liquid lipsticks here that I'm going to be keeping. We have a NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, a Delarza Cosmetics and V&A Strict liquid lipstick, love that shade, and then we have this Bare Minerals liquid lipstick, and then I have this random one right here from the brand Gadi. It's one of those like super long lasting liquid lipsticks that you apply the color and then this kind of like glossy product over it, and it like locks it in place. So yeah, I'm going to be keeping this. All right, moving over into my pink and red liquid lipsticks. I have some of these Rimmel Provoca Lips, love these. These are another like double-sided liquid lipstick that has the color on one side and then like a gloss on the other side that locks it in place. These last such a long time, so I am going to be keeping all of these. And then once again, I have a ton of Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipsticks. I have pinks, oranges, reds. I really like these, but as I said, I don't support him, but I did pay for these, so I am going to keep them. Have some more of those Rimmel Provoca lips that I am going to be keeping. I have a few Sigma liquid lipsticks in these like fun shades. I don't know, I just never wear these. I'm not the biggest fan of the formula, so I'm going to go ahead and declutter these. I don't even think I've ever actually used them. I have some more Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks, and these are in like reds and purples. I really like these, so I'm going to keep all 4 of these. Then I also have some darker shades of the Deck of Scarlet liquid lipsticks, which I love, so I'm keeping these as well. Then I have a few random liquid lipsticks that I am going to be keeping. I have 2 from Delarza Cosmetics, I have an Anastasia Beverly Hills, and then another NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. Then I have 3 more of the Grande Cosmetics liquid lipsticks. 2 of these are metallic shades, and then one's a matte. I never wear metallics as a liquid lipstick, so I'm going to declutter these, and then I'm going to keep the matte shade. Then I have a bunch of random ones that I'm going to go ahead and declutter. We have a Too Faced Melted Liquefied Lipstick, an Ofra Cosmetics liquid lipstick, a Pop Beauty, and then a Gerard Cosmetics liquid lipstick that I don't think I've ever even used. So yeah, I'm going to get rid of all of these. These last few colorful shades I am going to be keeping. We have these Wet n Wild, My Melody, and Chromie liquid lipsticks. Love these. Then I have 3 of the KVD liquid lipstick, and these are fun shades, so I definitely want to keep them. And then I have a Rimmel matte lipstick here, which I don't know why it was with the liquid lipsticks. Then I have 3 trays of glosses. I have these ColourPop Luxe lip glosses, and these are from the Hello Kitty and Friends collection. I'm not the biggest fan of these. I just found another one. I'm going to put these to the side because I'm not sure if I want to keep these or not. Okay, I went ahead and just pulled all my glosses out because I had them all mixed up everywhere and I wanted to show you guys them by like brand. So first up I have these Wet n Wild lip glosses. These are from the Coffee Cat and then the Ice Cream Bee collection. These were limited edition collections and I really love these, so I am going to be keeping all of these. And then I have all of these ColourPop Stay Glossy lip glosses. And I like this formula more than the newer lip gloss formula from ColourPop, so I'm going to keep all of these, and then I'll probably get rid of some of my other ColourPop glosses and just keep these instead. Then I have these lip glosses from e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is from the e.l.f. Retro Paradise collection. I'm going to go ahead and declutter all of these. Then I have my Grande Cosmetics Grande lips. These are lip plumpers. I love these. They look so nice on the lips, and they really do plump up your lips, so I am going to keep all of these. All right, this is like crazy, but I have a massive collection of the Buxom lip glosses. And yeah, I just can't see myself getting rid of any of these. These are also a plumping gloss and I love them. So I'm going to be keeping all of these. I know, it's like so many. Then I have these BH Cosmetics So Extra lip glosses. And these shades are really pretty, but I just never used them. So I'm going to go ahead and declutter these. Also going to be decluttering these Sigma glosses. I don't even think I've ever used them. Then I'm going to be keeping these 2 Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade glosses. I have 2 Delarza Cosmetics glosses that I'll be keeping as well. I'm going to go ahead and declutter the Wet n Wild My Melody and Chromie lip glosses. I just don't ever use these. I much prefer the liquid lipsticks. I'm also going to declutter this Gerard Cosmetics lip gloss, and then I have an Ofra lip gloss here that I'm going to get rid of as well. I think this is called their Flexi Stick. And then I think I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of these ColourPop lip glosses from the Hello Kitty collection just because, I don't know, I'm not the biggest fan of these thicker glosses. All right, you guys, we're down to this last tray, and it honestly just looks like a mix of lip products in here. Okay, so first up I have the entire collection of these Milani lipsticks. I am going to be keeping all of these. These are a very comfortable formula, and I really enjoy them. Love the packaging, so yeah, I just can't see myself getting rid of these. Also in there, I had another Urban Decay and Game of Thrones liquid lipstick. This one's in the shade Sansa Stark. I was wondering where this lipstick was. Then I also have this MAC lipstick in the shade Cream Cup. I have 2 more ColourPop lipsticks and then another Buxom Bullet lipstick, and this is in the shade Boss, so I am going to be keeping all of these. And lastly, we have a CoverGirl lipstick that I'm going to go ahead and declutter, and then I'm going to be keeping these 3 liquid lipsticks. I have a Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit liquid lipstick, and then these 2 Bare Minerals liquid lipsticks. All right, you guys, time to organize. So I actually really liked having my nude liquid lipsticks over in this tray, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and keep them here. I'm gonna try and put these back in by like brand, I guess. We have this entire container of shades that we did not like organize from the last declutter, so I'm gonna start putting these in as well. Probably gonna need an entire container for my Buxom glosses. These do not fit. All right, so now we just need to put the last few things in this top drawer, like this Too Faced one, these last bullet lipsticks, and that's it, we're done. All right, you guys, so there is the organized drawer. I literally cannot believe that I finally organized my lip collection. So yeah, this is a really good looking drawer. I'm so excited it's finally not a mess anymore. So here is the container of all of the lip products that I decluttered in this series, and you guys, it is a lot. like literally so much stuff I got rid of. So I'm really happy with how many lip products I got rid of. This is a pretty big container. Like that is a lot of lip products in here. So I think I did pretty good with this declutter. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this declutter. Let me know if you guys want to see any other declutters because I can definitely do that. Just comment down below what kind of declutter you guys want to see next. So I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also make sure you have your notifications turned on. That way you don't miss out on any of my future videos. All you have to do is click the bell next to the subscribe button and then you'll receive a notification every time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.